Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 2180, count integers with even digit sum in JavaScript. Alright, so what are we being asked to do here? So basically, let's look at this example here. Okay, if we have given a variable num, which is 30, so we need to look at all the numbers between 1 and whatever num is, so between 1 and 30, and we need to check the sum of its digits. If the sum of its digits are even, then we add to our output, right? So there are 14 integers less than or equal to 30 whose digit sums are even: 2, 4, 6, 8, 11, 13, 57, so on and so forth, right? So obviously there's only one digit here, it's even, one digit here, these are all even. But then we come to here with two digits, and you take each digit 1 and 1, we say 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6. These are all even numbers. 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 9 is 10, and then 2 plus 0 is 2, all even numbers, right? So if you count these out, you got 14 numbers. That's what they're asking for. So we're going to grab this variable here. We're going to move it over to CodePen, and we are going to solve it here. Let's create a function we call func, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to set a result variable. This is going to keep track of how many numbers fit that criteria. And at the end of the day, we return result. Okay, let's log func to the console. Alright, so first thing we need to do is we need to create a loop that counts from 1 to 30 on step 1. Let's just do that. So for, use a for loop, say let I, we start at 1. If I is less than or equal to num I plus plus, and then we console.log I, and you should see counting up from 1 to 30. And, oh, that's the return statement. Yeah, that's correct. That's good. Now, what we want to do is we want to split this number up into an array. It's going to have to be a string to start, so we're just going to call this array. And we're going to use the string method on I. And so you can see what's going on here. Okay, so now all those numbers are a string. Now we're going to split it into an array. Now you get the individual digits for any number of 2 digits. Cool. Alright, so now we need to get the sum of these digits, and in order to do that, we're going to create a variable. We're going to call it total, and we're going to use the reduce method on our array. And the first variable is going to be our sum. The next variable is going to be each individual number. And one thing we need to do is we need to set initial sum. And then you need to say return sum plus equals. We're going to use the number keyword. And then use num. Alright. so now we're seeing is for 1, there's our total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we come to 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. We come to 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, so on and so forth. So that's all working great. So now what we need to do is if total is an even number, we increment result. So we can use an if statement to say if total modulus 2 equals 0, we increment result. And that should give us 14, and it does. So let's copy our code, move over to Leetcode, paste it in, format our code, and submit it. And we're good to go. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.